All right, we are ready to get started. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to make sure our violin and guitar are tuned. And then we're going to be focusing on actually writing out the notes to our lesson 4 continued. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that on the computer, but you can also be doing that by hand if you have it printed out. So
I already did that.
Oh, you already did all the notes?
Yeah, I put the notes down.
Oh, that's awesome, Henry. Leslie, how are you with that?
I haven't. I just did one song. I still moved the other ones.
Okay, so then what we'll do is, since you guys are here with me, we'll just review them. We'll go quickly through it, and then we'll go right into practicing. For homework, make sure you have a copy of the written notes, practice log, lesson 4 continued, and we'll just see how far we can get today. Okay, so here we have our 3 songs that we're going to be writing the notes in for. We're looking at both violin and guitar lines, which are lines 1 and lines 3. Luckily, these are the same notes. So as we go through, I'm going to be writing them above the violin, or actually probably below the violin line, but you can write them wherever you'd like to. And the way I'm doing it is through markup, adding in text. So let's just jump right in. So in the violin part and the guitar part, we start with a 4/4 time signature. C, 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 C. That's that they're basically right underneath there. So that's our first 5 notes, our C's. Then we start to transition. We have C, D, E, C, D. Those. And as you see, I need a little bit more space between some of these, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. See how that works better. Okay. Next, we have D, 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 all repeated. And then finally, we have E, C, E, C, C. Get those all lined up. Okay, so we have our notes for La Calle Ocupada. Henry, does my screen look like yours? Are there any differences in your notes?
No, they're all the same.
They're all the same. Awesome.
The reason I have them all the same is because I wrote them down. I have a journal for each class, and I just wrote down the notes, and I would copy them down.
Oh, there you go. That's a really great way of doing it. All right. Let's go down to the little jumps. So this time I'll put them underneath the guitar part just because, but again, they're the same in the guitar part and in the violin part. We have G, E, E, G, E, G, and then a rest. Pull those underneath. That's pretty close. Then we have F sharp, D, D, F sharp, D, F sharp, and then a rest. Let's see if that fits, and it does. Awesome. Continuing, we have D, F sharp, E, D, C, C, the rest. Finally, C, D, E, F sharp, G, G, G. And that is our notes for little jumps. Make sure that when you're writing, you have the F as an F sharp, and that's due to the little number sign symbol that's right next to it. Finally, we have jumping beans. I'll put this with the guitar line again, but again, same for violin. We have D, F sharp, D, rest. Another text. E, G, E. Rest. F sharp, D, E. And those are half notes, so they're longer. D, F sharp, D. Then E, G, E. And finally, we're back to the half notes. F sharp, E, D. Let's see. E, D. There we go. All right, and so that is Frijolitos Brincando. So I am going to go ahead, file, save this. And Leslie and Henry, do both of you have them written in?
Yes.
Yes.
Awesome. Okay, so we'll stop share and we'll go to some practice.